Okay, we were just talking about budgeting, how important it is in these economic times. Not the most romantic conversation, right? But you gotta live a little.
Yep, Dr. V is here with some fun funds that couples should be considering. What should we be keeping in mind right now? Couples.
Well, here's the thing. For these couples who want to enjoy life, but are, life is life, and planning ahead can actually build anticipation. We talk a lot about that, about things in the bedroom, but outside of the bedroom and having fun with your partner really is what makes a relationship especially long term. So being able to plan ahead can be kind of sexy in this scenario here. One of the first funds that I would tell you that I would want you to really work on is something that is for experiences. I mean, to be able to say, I want to go to this concert, I want to go to this show, I want to go to this craft fair, whatever it is, you want to make sure to do that. And then a vacation fund. Okay, of course, like I totally have one of those all year round for myself, for my partner and I, my husband and I, but vacation funds are probably the most, I guess, popular ones, but a home improvement fund.
Expensive too, both of those.
Well,
two,
it can be, right? And a home improvement fund, I can't tell you how many couples come in and they're arguing about what they need to work on next in order to make their house more hospitable and I guess more convenient. And again, very, very important. But when they don't have a fund, it's something that can get pushed off year after year after year, and of course that can create some resentment. And then a hobby fund. Y'all need to be doing some fun stuff out there. Houston has so much to do. There are so many things out there, special interests, things that maybe you didn't even know existed. Maybe you thought it was just you. No, it's not just you. We have lots of fun things to do. So especially as a couple, if you can say, hey, let's work on this hobby together, I think it can really help to connect couples, especially around the Houston area. I'm just such a big fan of all of these different meetups that there are, and classes and courses and weekends excitement. It's a lot of fun.
Now, when you say fund, I'm trying to picture this. Is this something where you're setting aside cash in a safe, or are you trying to invest it and have its own little pocket and it's named that, or is this just funds that you know are there and you pull out? What is your idea to make it actually happen?
To make it actually, that's the key, right? To make it actually happen, I think you need to see it. So some people will say, hey, once a month we will go and buy this many gift cards and make sure that it is allotted for that, and then they put those away in either a special envelope or in a jar if you want to be more visual. Some people will actually just put money in a jar and it's labeled, vacation fund, and when it's full, that's when they go to the bank and make sure that they get the actual cash from it and make it nice and pretty and start to use envelopes. But whatever works for you, I just think you do need to see it, or else it just feels like play. It feels like monopoly money in the bank account, and very easily can be switched into something not so fun like a dental fund.
Yeah, you got to have those money conversations, because as we know, money can be the biggest issue in marriages and relationships too.
Yes, absolutely. And this is just one fun way to get those funds there so that you can have more fun.
Yeah, making me want to go plan a hot date right now.
Yeah.
All right.
I know, I'm thinking. The wheels are turning.
Fun and neat experience.
Head over to my Instagram and tell me what your funds look like as far as funds, and that'll be a lot of fun.
All right.
Thanks,
Dr. V.
Thanks, guys.
Still ahead here this morning, why TikTok moms...